You should have known I was a goofball before you asked me to do this. Hi, my name is Tova, and I'm the owner here of Blue Sky Wellness Studio in Mississippi, in Portland. So this is my first time using this mask, or any mask from Ishq Skincare. This one has some turmeric in it, and I'm gonna learn how to mix it. 1/4 teaspoon, so like this much. Am I doing that right?
Yes.
You want me to put it in here?
Yes.
Okay.
More. There we go.
I don't think I've ever put honey on my face.
Oh.
I know.
Put a little bit of rose water, just to make it a liquid.
This is easy. It's so easy. It smells good. It smells really good. So I'm gonna put this all over my face now. Doesn't have any oil. I'm always worried about like my skin breaking out. Oh, that actually feels really nice. It feels really refreshing. Yeah. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so my skin feels really nice and clean. I wish I would have scrubbed it a little bit more. But I'm feeling really awake and refreshed and shiny.
Okay, well, I just got done with the face mask and my face feels really smooth and really nice. And it's not making my face dry how it usually does. And I think now is the perfect time to put on this moisturizing cream. Really excited to try it. So let's see. Not too much. It's very well matched. My face is loving me right now. She's like, thank you. Thank you so much. It smells so good too. Now I'm just beautiful. Perfect.